Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios and we're giving you an update on the Sol Harbour development. Now this is two 7-story buildings being built in Ocho Rios. Now when it comes on to real estate, the most important thing is location. This development is one of the most successful in Jamaica. It is completely sold out. Well, a lot of the developments on the north coast are sold out, but this one is 2 floors at 7 stories, over 140 units, completely sold out. This development was done by Proven Properties or Proven Real Estate, and of all the developments that Proven have done, this is one of the most successful. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening here. And I'm sure if Proven had built 4 towers or 6 towers or even a 28-floor building here, it would have been sold out because this is an excellent location. Sol Harbour is a major residential real estate development currently underway in Ocho Rios, St. Anne, and represents one of the most significant modern housing projects to be introduced to the town in decades. Developed by Proven Properties Limited, a subsidiary of the Proven Group, the project reflects the growing demand for upscale coastal living and investment-oriented real estate in Jamaica's North Coast tourism belt. Strategically located in Ocho Rios, Sol Harbour benefits from proximity to beaches, cruise ship piers, entertainment centers, shopping districts, and major attractions such as Dunn's River Falls. The location positions the development at the intersection of lifestyle living and tourism-driven investment, making it attractive to both local buyers and overseas investors. The development consists of 7 2-story residential towers comprising a total of 152 units. The unit mix is heavily weighted towards studio apartments, supported by a smaller number of 2-bedroom units, reflecting Proven strategy of targeting investors seeking short-term rental income alongside owner-occupiers looking for compact modern coastal homes. Sol Harbour is designed as a modern, resort-style residential complex. Planned amenities include a swimming pool, gym, and clubhouse facilities, landscape green spaces, secure parking, and 24-hour security. The project is marketed towards professionals, retirees, diaspora buyers, and real estate investors, particularly those interested in short-term rentals such as Airbnb. Ocho Rios' strong tourism traffic makes Sol Harbour especially appealing as a revenue-generating asset rather than solely a primary residence. Sol Harbour forms a key part of Proven Group's real estate portfolio and revenue strategy. According to company disclosures, Sol Harbour, along with another residential project in Runaway Bay, accounts for approximately US $61.7 million in projected sales revenue from these developments. Proven expects to realize around US $4.2 million in profit, highlighting the relatively tight margins common in modern construction amid rising material and labor costs. Alright, that's the end of the update. That other development they're talking about in Runaway Bay is Bahari. And we also have videos up on that development, and we will give you an update video over the weekend. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about this development. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.